We listen to the music of Angelic.
Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee, opening to the sun above. Melt the clouds of sin and sadness, drive the dark of doubt away, giver of immortal gladness, fill us with the light of day. You are giving and forgiving, ever blessing, ever blessed. You bring me the joy of living, ocean depths of happiness. You are Father, Christ our brother. All who live in love will shine. Teach us how to love each other. Lift us to the joy divine. Stars and angels sing around thee, center of unbroken praise. Field and forest, vale and mountain, earth and heaven reflect thy rays. Come now, join the mighty chorus, which the morning stars began. Love divine is reigning o'er us, holding all within His hands. Sing for joy, joyful music leads us homeward in the glorious song of life.
Our gift of music this morning is Angelic singing A Star and a Promise.
For those who don't believe, for those in desperate need, for those with mouths to feed, for those who smile through every tear. He'll come to you, he'll come to me, God's gift of hope, love and mercy. Let your heart believe in a new day, with a star and a promise. God's on his way. For those whose faith is strong, for those who right the wrong, for those who always persevere, for those who join the song, for those who dance along, for those who whisper, God is near. He'll come to you, he'll come to me, God's gift of hope, love and mercy. Let your heart believe in a new day, with a star and a promise. God's on his way. For those who tend the sheep, for those who stray or sleep, for those whom angel songs ring clear, for those who journey far, for those who need a star, for those who make room for love here. He'll come to you, he'll come to me, God's gift of hope, love and mercy. Let your heart believe